Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at body organization of multicellular organisms. Let's start off with the cell. Cell is derived from the Latin word cella, meaning small room. And it's the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently. Unicellular organisms are organisms made up of only one cell. These include bacteria, archaea, amoebae, yeasts, and some algae. Multicellular organisms are organisms made up of many cells. And the reason for this is that it allows cells become specialized for particular tasks. And also it can make the organism bigger as well. Now, examples of different cell types include skin cells, eye cells, hair cells, tooth cells. You name the part of the body, there's cells that make up that particular part. And when lots of the same type of cell get together, you call it a tissue. And a tissue is basically lots of cells that perform the same task. So let's start off with writing cell here. This is where unicellular organisms end and multicellular organisms begin. Lots of the same type of cell form a tissue. So these are all made up of the same type of cell doing the same function. And when different tissues come together to form a structure to do a particular task, you call that an organ. So an organ is made up of different tissues coming together to do one particular task. And when you have lots and lots of organs coming together to perform a series of tasks which are basically related, for example, let's pick the stomach and the intestine. The stomach, what it does is it breaks down food, and the small intestine, it absorbs the food. So they do different tasks, but ultimately it comes under the umbrella of digestion. So when lots of organs come together to do a series of the same related tasks, you call that an organ system. Organ system. Okay, I will do related videos going into these things in a little bit more depth, but thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.